Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to show the keyboard in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application where you can find all the instruments that you can play, you can get started with recording yourself and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to see our keyboard and show our notes and our keyboard tracks. So let's go ahead and scroll down left all the way until we get to the keyboard instrument right here. So as you can see, after finding the keyboard, now we can go ahead and open it up. This is considering if you have not already recorded your track. If you have already your track is going to show up in edit mode that we're going to show in just a couple of seconds. But basically this is our keyboard menu where we can get started recording ourselves. So guys, as you can see, you can use the big red circle at the top of the screen. That's going to enable you to record, and you can click the red circle and start playing your notes. So after starting to play your notes and finishing your recording, now we can go ahead and take a look at our keyboard. And what we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner, click into edit mode or mixing mode, however you want to call it, where we can see all of our tracks and all of our instruments. And guys, as you can see, here is our grand piano. That is our keyboard where we can go ahead and take a look at our notes. And to show our keyboard notes, all we have to do is click on the track that next to our keyboard and then click on edit in the new menu that appears. And here guys, now you can see this is going to enable us to take a look at our notes of the keyboard and take a look at how it sounds. We can change it and do whatever we want. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.